Everybody and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to make paintbrush, or you can also say it as paint marker. So if you did not have any paintbrush or paint marker, so you will definitely try it and you will love it. So without wasting much time, let's get started. But before we start the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of our new posted videos. So let's get started. Things we need are anti-glue bottle, a paper piece, cotton buds, water, paints, and also you can also use some cloth or newspaper, but we are using this book, so it will help us to dry the water which was fallen in the table. So let's get start to make this paint brush or paint markers. Okay, so first of all we have to take empty glue bottle. Let's open it. There you go. And it's like that. Shake this thing out. Don't throw this thing. This is important. Now put it here, and there we go. The water first. Okay, so be so careful because okay, so that much is good. Now what you have to do, we are using 2 earbuds because if you use just one, so it will not be good, because like I put black color in it and I want to put yellow color, so see how I will use yellow color. So this is for light colors and dark colors for this. So now what we have to do is take this, put it in, and take one bud. Okay, and there you go. So let's go and test it. Okay, so I forgot to put this piece of paper, so let's take it out and take the paper piece. You can take any color of paper piece. There you go. And okay, so now we get what we want. Now this is final testing time. So I'm so excited about it. So let's test it. Okay, so we have our bottle, any paper, and paints. So what should we have to do is, but first of all I'm going to show you the paint. There you go, this, and when you see the magic, so you will get the water. So what should we have to do is put it in your paint, mix, and see the magic. So just a bit. Okay, and now you can do whatever you want. I'm working. See. It's amazing. And you can also color, like I'm coloring this green. So I'm not going girly. And you can write subscribe. It's like a big magic wand, so it's amazing. So you can see the water is not like that color, which is amazing, and it looks like a magic. So like and subscribe to our channel. Bye. Like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also click on the bell icon to get all our posted videos notifications. Hope you enjoy our video.